Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia 3.1 and today I will show you how to take a screenshot on this device. So I'll start off by actually finding a content that you want to capture, and I'm just gonna simply capture the main screen of the device. And what you want to do is hold power key and volume down together until you see like a screen flash and a little thumbnail on the bottom, as you can see. Okay, so it actually didn't go on the bottom, but you still see the little flash. There's also another way to do it, basically the same thing by holding the power key. And then you get also this here, a screenshot, so you can also tap it, same thing will happen. And both of the photos can actually be found in the photo library, so if you tap on it here, I'm gonna swipe this away, and not now. You can see both of them are visible right here. So that is how you take screenshot on this device, and you can capture any other area of the screen in an app or on the home screen, doesn't really matter. So yeah. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.